Hi everyone, welcome back to Adam Coins channel, and today we're going to talk about Solana. Thank you so much for the support that you've been showing, and yeah, it means a lot. I do say in each and every single video, man, you guys are really awesome. Okay, you're doing really nice and justice with the channel out there. Okay, now I'm gonna talk very quickly about Solana and what the hell is happening with Solana once again. Okay, now if it's been moving, it's looking quite good. I'm gonna turn on the EMAs right here, and let's see what we're trying to do right now. Okay, and we are getting a little bit very far away from the EMAs right now. This is the 10 EMA, the 20, and you have the 55 as well. Okay, we are getting a little bit overextended. If I kind of zoom in right there a little bit, okay, it is getting quite extended right now. Okay, the EMAs are getting extended, and that could mean very soon enough you could start looking a rollover in the market. And I've given you the target of 250. We've already reached nearly. We went to 247, 248 yesterday. I did give you a target of $250, and right now we are on the journey to go towards that target at the moment. But I'm gonna see and dive what's up in the 4-hour time frame. Let's see what it's trying to do. Okay, yeah, we did have a bullish signal right over here. Do you see that the 10, the 20, and the 55, they crossed here, and from here we've been going just up and down. It's been a little bit bullish. Okay, I want to draw a Fibonacci retracement, and let's check whether we do hit some level of resistance or support or not. I'm gonna place the Fibonacci from the top to the bottom there, and I'm gonna close every single thing. Yeah, now I'm gonna zoom in here and let's see what's happening with Solana once again. So we were moving towards the upside. The 1.618 is at the 250. Do you see that? It's there. So I do think Solana can hit 250. So do keep in mind, this is where you take profits, all right? This is where you take profits. We are also in a technical target of $300, 310. And from here, we can move to 400, but it's not going to go straight all towards the upside, okay? So what I would recommend you guys to do is take some profits out of here. Okay, it's really important to close your trade sometimes. All right, you never know if it hits this level, comes down, and at the moment it seems like we are actually respecting the 1.414. Do you see that? I'm just gonna zoom in today a little bit because I do get some comments. It's a little bit hard to see the channel. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna zoom in. So yeah, just want to improve the quality of the videos out there, right? So I'm on the 1.414. We did find we're finding a good support right here. Do you see that? And this is where I want you guys to take a little bit of your profits, because we're very getting overextended from the EMAs. And when this happens, normally you can see a rollover down the market. You can see something like this. Okay, you hit the head on the 1.618. all right, just there. Yeah, the possible scenario is that you hit the 250, maybe just go a little bit to 252, and then start coming towards the downside. You will even very well come nearly the $232 region back again, and this is where I think you could start making some new entries in the future as well. Yeah, so Solana is looking actually very good. Okay, this is going to be a very short brief updates. No, I'm not going to extend this videos too much. I did even the long-term price projections in the past as well. I'm going to go into the daily time frame, and yeah, on the daily time frame, I do want to tell you one thing though. There's a scenario playing out. Now, in order for us to remain bullish, now Fibonacci are good and all, but you also have to understand candle reading, okay? And from now, today's candle, the 1-day candle that you see right here, this doji that you're looking at right now, this kind of star, we call this a doji candle, okay? It is gonna close in 9 hours from now. Okay, it's gonna close 9 hours from now. The time is 8 o'clock here in Pakistan, and it's gonna close after 9 hours. So you can actually try to adjust based on your local time, okay, from wherever you are. Now, what I want to see for Solana right now is it comes nearly the $250 region, and if it closes green like this, if it's closed nearly the 256 in 9 hours from now, that's a very good sign that you're not going to come even down. The reason why I say this is that you're going to form a 3 white soldier, a candlestick known as 3 white soldier, and we can do Google for that. Okay, just going to go to Google really quickly, 3 white soldiers, just like that. And I'm going to go to the images as well. and I'm going to show you what happens when you see three white soldiers. Yep, something like this. Okay, so you're going to see three consecutive candles. They're like back to back green, and they move towards the upside. There's so many variations of the three white soldiers as well. For example, this one right here, do you see that? The three long bullish candlesticks, three white soldiers, 1, 2, 3, and anytime this one happens, the next 2, 3, 4 candles are always green. Okay, now I've seen this one with so many different coins, with SHIB as well, with Bitcoin as well in the past. Okay, Bitcoin made it on the weekly time frame. I'm going to show you today and talk about the three white soldiers. So it could potentially, you know, I just want this one to close nearly the 250, 256, but we still have to see this one. Okay, I'm going to update you tomorrow. Okay, let me really quickly show you what happens when you form the three white soldiers. Let me take a small example from SHIB's page. You know, I'm gonna dive into SHIB, and I'm gonna show you what happens when you see the three white soldiers. It happened down here. Okay, I'm gonna show you. You had something like this. Do you see this? This was a three white soldier, and the next candle they were moving towards the upside. Even this one was a three white soldier as well. Okay, and you can see from here, normally what happens is that the prices, they never go below this area. You know, in order for you to invalidate the three white soldiers, do you see the highest candle right there? If you see the prices coming down and they break this candle right there, they go below that, next to it, next to this candle right here, the closing there, okay, or the low point of this candle. If they try to go down below it, then that's when you invalidate these three white soldiers. Okay, now I do want to see something very similar for Solana to USDD as well, because we are also on a technical target of $315. So Solana also has a habit of just moving and going parabolic towards the upside. Okay, so on the short term frame, I showed you that trading this as your top and your bottom as well. Okay, and when you draw the fibs, from here all the way down there, just like that. Okay, and I'm gonna zoom in. You do have 1.618, which is 249, 258. Okay, this is where you can start taking a profit as well. Now there's another turnover that I want to tell you. If we close like this tomorrow, if we close like this, okay, then it's probably the next candle is going to go down. Why do I say this? You're going to potentially start forming a candlestick known as the evening star, and I want to show you equally what this one can be. Okay, the evening star candlestick. Okay, so I'm going to click the evening star candlestick, and I'm going to show you this one. Okay, you are in an uptrend, and you can see this plus and the green bar next to it, it becomes red. Okay, so if you fail to actually go near this area to 250, and you close like in 242 in 9 hours, then do expect a rollover down to the market, maybe back to this swing high right there. I'm going to show you a level. One level of support we already have is this one here, $205. Okay, $205, but Solana can actually just come here and bounce back from $218, which was your recent swing high right there. And yeah, that's it. So I do hope you enjoyed today's video for Solana, and let's see what tomorrow brings in, and I'm gonna see you tomorrow with a new video update. Allah Hafiz.